Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a 46-inch bar, and that's measured from tip to tip. Fits on the Homelite 750. 3/8 pitch, 063 gauge, and the chain is a 75 CJ. And that's a skip tooth chisel bit. Skip is a sequence between the teeth. See, we got some spacing here. That's a chisel chain. You can file it round or chisel, either one. And that's a sprocket nose bar. Very nice bar, great shape. Fits on the large Homelite, and I'll show you here. We've got a 750 Homelite frame here. I'll show you how it fits onto it. If you're needing a long bar for your Homelite 750, 650, 550, here's a great combination.